Okay, I'm recording this short video, hopefully it's short, to comment on the development of that time with the students, okay? Um, First, I mentioned in the document that there is a supervision hour at 8:20, which means that you will use the link that is there to enter. I already yesterday I notified the teacher so she knows that you will be entering with me. We are not going to be there for the whole time, for the whole hour, probably 20-25 minutes. And as I think I told you yesterday, it will be like camera off. And if possible, you can change your name just for the day that you put teacher before your name, Natalie Coronel. Okay, so first thing then, in the first activity in our class, which is in writing, it says review the structure of writing a review. So in this part, I recommend you, or I think it would be possible to open this, to open the review guide they have posted, that it is posted in the previous week. And because I put in the document, I put review the structure of writing a review plus the assignment of explanation of the assignment, right? But just remind the students, remind your partners that here they have a quick guide to write the review, that they can reread this document, and these are the contents that we are going to continue practicing. Last week we worked on this, on the summary of the story, but then now we're going to be checking the story's information, which I mentioned that I would assign it as a homework, but I didn't do it because I wanted to make sure students understood what they have to do. So you can go to this document, or I can help you with that. I can share the screen as you explain in order to help you or to guide you in that moment. But you can use this document as a reminder of the contents or main contents that need to be present in a review. So after that, you will explain the assignment, and that assignment can be explained in that moment. I can share the actual assignment that I was creating is already posted here, and I will help you sharing it, because if you enter, it might not allow you to allow to enter later. Well, that's not a problem, but in order not for it to tell you that you have to complete it, just I can share it, and then you can go one by one through the contents that, sorry, start a new preview because I was doing it. But in the explanation that you have, what you have here is what you have in the explanation. So it's probably better if I open this, and this you can explain question by question to the students, saying that each question that they have here is a guidance for the information that they need to search in the internet and find in the internet, and that they need to write, this is very important to remind them, they need to write a complete sentence for each piece of information. It's not just putting a short answer. What's the origin of the game, series, movie, or book? What is the country of origin? Where is it available, in case it is a platform, or where or how can it be purchased if it is a game or if it is a book? So this is the first question that they will complete. They will be completing for this assignment, and all the questions are here. When was this series? When is the release date? Next is the author, writer, or creator. In case director is implied, it says it there. Question 4 is the language, the original language, and if it is available in other languages, how many languages is it available in, and which ones. Question number 5 says, how long has this entertainment been around? If it's movies, or if it's a movie, it's like if it's part of a franchise, if it's which number in the franchise, etc. Or if it's a single movie, if it's a series, how many seasons and episodes, if it is a game, what edition it is. But this information has to be complete. Question number 6, the main characters in the story. In case it is a game or book, mention only the characters, but if it is a series or a movie, the actors, the names of the actors in that play the main roles. And finally, what type of genre the book or movie or game or series is. Or in some cases, it might be more than one. This is the assignment, and you can mention also that they have a submission available until the October 31st, I mean before our next class, which would be Monday, so they should submit by Sunday. They have a couple of days to complete, so it should not be a problem. And then this is the task that you have in the class. It is pretty short, and it's just that students, one student in each group enters, this is a forum, and they enter to the forum and they mention, just as it says here, what is the general idea of the story that you are going to write. So in a couple of sentences, each student has to explain what is the idea that they have thought as the plot of your story. Only one student has to do it. And in the case that, because I know some students are going to be missing from class, it will not be a big issue, because I am going to allow students to do it after. For example, that you are going to be working with Chrismar, you can allow Chrismar to work on that, because I know that some students already have their plot idea. But if they have their partner there, they can discuss with their partner, and one of them enters and posts the idea in a couple of sentences. For the ones who are not complete there, we can work it out later on, because I just need to know the general idea of this. So this would be the activity that they will be completing, and as far as a group is ready, the group can be dismissed from the class. That's it.